Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our chemistry class. Today in this session, I am gonna solve one problem which is taken from GATE 2006. Okay friends, first let us read the question. If the proton decoupled C13 and phosphorus 31 NMR spectra of trialkyl, CH3 taken thrice P11O, the number of lines absorbed respectively. Okay. See, here one thing is very important for us friends, that is proton decoupled. Decoupled means what? Here the proton is not involved in coupling. So while finding the number of lines, we should not think of the hydrogens because here the protons are not involved in coupling. Okay, now first let us draw the structure for this formula. Okay, P double bond O, CH3, 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 right? CH3, CH3 and CH3. Okay. Of course, friends, these two lines should be drawn here. Near to phosphorus. Okay. Okay, friends, first let us find the number of lines for the C13. Okay. C13. Yeah. Okay, see, for this carbon now we are trying to find the number of lines. Okay, see, here we know that a particular atom is splitted by the adjacent atoms. Yeah, so here near to carbon we have the phosphorus, hydrogen, like that, but already in the question they have mentioned, right, it is decoupled, so we should not think of this hydrogens. Next, see, this carbon is splitted by the nearest phosphorus atom. So now we can find the number of lines by using the formula 2ni of phosphorus plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula. 2 into n means number of that particular atom present in the given structure. Here how many phosphorus we have? 1 phosphorus. So 2 into 1 into I value for the phosphorus is half. I think you know that. Okay, 2 get cancels and here we got the 2 lines. Okay, in C13 NMR we got the 2 lines. Okay, now we should find for the phosphorus 31. Okay, phosphorus 31. Okay, see, here we have the phosphorus and we know that the oxygen is optically inactive because its I value is 0, so we should not think of the oxygen. Now see, this phosphorus is attached to 3 carbons, right? Yeah, phosphorus is attached to 3 carbons and we know that the I value for the carbon is what? 0, right? Yeah, the I value for the carbon is 0 and no need to think about the hydrogens which are attached to the carbon because in the question itself they have mentioned like proton is decoupled. Okay, now let's find for the carbons. See, of course carbon is optically inactive, but there must be at least one peak, right? There may be no splitting, but at least single peak is present, right? Yeah, 2 Ni of carbon plus 1. Okay, in the given structure how many carbons we have? 3, right? Yeah, 2 into 3 into I value for the carbon is 0. Yeah, that's why I said carbon is optically inactive, plus 1. So here we got 1. Okay, 1 line. Okay, this is for the carbon and this is for the phosphorus. Yeah, in the question what they asked, the number of lines absorbed respectively, right? So respectively they asked, so that means we have to check it carefully. First, the number of lines for the C13, right? Yeah, for the C13, see, first we have found out for the C13, right? So here we got the 2 and for the phosphorus we got the 1. So 2 is to 1 or the 2 and 1. So this is the answer. Hope you understood this, friends. Yeah, if you found this useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, friends.